What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. There's a Discord link below. Join it if you wish. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos. Just spam them with likes and comments. Share them all and make sure everyone's subscribing. Let's get straight into this one. So this tracksuit I've actually had for a long time now. So it's been not a long time, but like a year. So I bought it last summer. So you've got a bit of thread there. But yeah, I bought this last summer, and I did wear it last summer, but I've worn it only a few times, and I thought it definitely needs a review because it's quite different. It's not something that we see a lot these days. Even though we do see Adidas Superstar tracksuits, we don't see the high shine version. So normally an Adidas tracksuit is matte black, so it's not shiny. This is the high shine version, so you can see that it is shiny, so it does have a shine to it. Also, the sides is more of a like off-white type of platinum type color, I think grayish. It's not a plain white like they usually are. I haven't seen anyone wear this tracksuit apart from me, so I don't know why, probably because it's not fashionable. But yeah, one thing I love about Adidas is they have zip pockets on everything, which is just so convenient. So we got the little Adidas trefoil there, and then we've got the same Adidas logo, stripes all down the side as always, and we've got nice cuffed joggers on the bottom. We love some cuff joggers, don't we? Yeah, I really do like the fit of these. The drop, everything is so nice. And then we've got the classic, well, the same old Superstar top, obviously again with the shine. Same thing going on here with the colors, so that grayish, 3 stripes, Adidas trefoil logo, the Adidas zip with the logo, and again zip pockets as always. So yeah, I don't really have too much more to say about this, but I'll just say I really do like it. I did get it on a sale last year, so probably went on sale because no one wanted it. But yeah, it's a really nice tracksuit for me, I'll be honest. I like it. It's quite different to the plain black one that everyone has. You know, I've worn it only a few times, not sure how many times I'll wear it again. But I do really like the kind of retro look. I remember 2008, 2009 times Adidas done a lot of like shiny type tracksuits. So this could be a fail at bringing it back, but you know, yeah, it is what it is. I really like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think. Should I keep it or should I throw it? But yeah, let me know what you think about this, people. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other content.